Okay, thank you. So I am carrying an umbrella today. The weather here is rainy. It's raining in Dubai in July. So I'm here at Zabeel Park. We're gonna do a walking tour for all of you. Look at this. They have this cycle. You can rent it. It's raining today. So I've entered from gate 3 and the parking fees is 10 dirham for the full day and 5 dirham is the entrance fees. I think I should go that side and I should come back from the Dubai frame. Such a lovely weather. And that is Dubai frame. Beautiful weather. This is the refreshment area. It has few snacks and drinks, even some sandwiches and hot dogs. I want to take a look from here. So beautiful, so calm, so peaceful. I've seen in the photos that they've kept some animals also here. These people will be having such a beautiful view from their balconies. I'll be going to this side now. We'll see if I find some animal area like birds or something. That is the prayer room. That is another gate. Another refreshment place, but this one is closed. There is some play area over there. That is the residential entrance. People who are living in the nearby residence can easily walk in and come through this gate, but definitely it will not be free for them. So it's 5 dirham for everyone. Okay, this is the refreshment area. So this is the view. This is the play area, like a maze. There are families over there. I will not go that side, but here you can see everything. There are slides, a lot of slides. Is this metro going? Beautiful flowers on this tree. I think the rain has stopped. It's not raining. So there is this cute cat staring at me. It's kind of a roller coaster. Maybe there used to be some amusement park over here. I'll have to search if there is any history behind it. This is some kind of a bridge over here, but I see that there is some beautiful view also. This way is Dubai Garden Glow. Is this only for... Oh, I see Burj Khalifa over there. That is such a beautiful view. Let me go there and take a look at it. Oh, this is beautiful. They've blocked the view of the road for your protection. They've put glass on both sides. Here is Dubai frame, and over there is Burj Khalifa. So this side I can cross the road and get into Dubai Garden Glow and Dinosaur Park. I don't have a ticket for that, so I won't be going inside, but I'll go as far as I can go, and I just want to check out the view of Burj Khalifa because it's looking very beautiful. Let me see if I can get a good look on it. There are clouds behind it. It's beautiful scenery. That's the maximum zoom I have. So if I buy the ticket for Garden Glow and Dinosaur Park, I get access to the full park, Zabeel Park. I can go that side as well as I can come back. But if I have only Zabeel Park entrance, which is just 5 dirham, and we paid through the Nol card. Then I think I cannot enter neither park. Of course, the difference in the ticket price. So I will not go further ahead. I'll just take a look from this side only and then go back. Oh yes, I can see some dinosaurs. So I'll just make their video and then go back. So that is the entrance to Dinosaur Park, and these are the dinosaurs from behind. There you go. That is the road. Ittihad Museum. So I won't enter over there because I know the ticket price is different. Even if there is no security around, that's not good because I haven't paid for the ticket. So I'll stick to the Zabeel Park only. I'm going back. There you have the Dubai frame, and there's a billboard. Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. That is the car which I own these days. Oh, there's an aeroplane as well. Yeah, let me try to get a look. I think I won't be able to capture this. Let me run. Let me run. I want to capture this beautiful moment. No, it's gone. There goes the aeroplane. Okay, I think I should wait for the next aeroplane because the airport is nearby. They have a lot of airplanes flying every 5 minutes. So that is Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross, the car which I own right now. It's a good one. I'm making a review video. We'll upload it very soon. You can have a look of old Dubai and new Dubai from going to the top. Okay, there is one aeroplane coming, so I'll try to capture that. There it is. It's not flying very high. The previous one was going very high. So this one is flying low. There's Wafi Mall over there. Beautiful birds. We're having some good time after rain. Rain has stopped. Tiny walk path which leads us to Frankfurt, Germany. Johann Wolfgang. Alright, so the access to Dubai frame area, which is also a part of Zabeel Park, I think it's excluded. It's exclusively for those people who have purchased the ticket for Dubai frame, because I see a barrier over here. I saw the barrier on the other side as well, so I came up from this side, and yeah, it's I cannot go to the front side of the Dubai frame, so I think it's enough. I've made enough and good video of it from this side also. The building itself looks like it is made of gold. Another monument from, oh, this one is from Scotland. So this one is the Dubai frame. This is outside. People can do exercise over here, kind of a treadmill, cycling, and the stuff.